This is Max Williams with United Real Estate. Today, I'm in Henrico County. Today, we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is located here in a nice, well-established neighborhood. One of the things that immediately I noticed was we got nice large lots. These are nice, large fenced lots. And as you can see, the homes are beautifully spaced. So if you're the type of person that really likes to have a little distance between you and your neighbor, this neighborhood, this home may be for you. One of the things that we see with new construction today, especially in this price range, is they are trying to maximize the number of homes they can get into a subdivision. And so it's not unusual for you to have 20, 30 feet between you and your neighbor. So this home really stands out in that regard. We of course have mostly brick construction. We've got a newer dimensional roof, insulated windows, and wait till you see this yard. This is really nice. If you've got 2-legged or 4-legged friends, this is a big yard here in the rear, completely fenced. We do have a storage building there in the distance, and I'll give you a shot here of the rear of the home. I am in the final stages of planning the webinar that's going to happen here on March 7th at 7 p.m. I'm going to put the link below if you'd be kind enough to RSVP. We're going to have plenty of good information that's going to be shared, some do's, some don'ts, some ways to save money, and some ways to make money when you actually purchase your first home. Okay, we can see here on the rear, a nice big open yard. No trees to speak of, maybe 2 trees, but nothing that is in danger of falling on the house. I know some people have concerns about trees, especially when they're large, being near the home. I've got two side entry doors here. We're going to see those, of course, from the interior. We have experienced some 80+ degree days, and I am sure that when the weather returns to normal here, this grass is going to come back beautifully. We can tell this home is definitely well maintained. One of the things that I like to do is bring you a variety of homes as far as newly renovated and homes that are more in the original state. And that way you can kind of see what may be right for you. One of the things about these older homes is the materials. We see these beautiful wood floors here throughout many of these older homes, and the character of them just can't be beat. Nice big bay window there in the front, let in plenty of light. One thing about this floor plan is you've got a lot of common area, and a lot of people really like that. You've got this formal living room, you've got a formal dining room, and then we also have a family room. That's of course in addition to the 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bath. Okay, this is going to be our formal dining room area. Notice we have chair rail. Nice neutral colors in this beautiful home. And of course, our eat-in kitchen. Many of you probably remember many of mornings sitting here at a table in a similar floor plan, getting ready for school. I know this floor plan definitely brings back some memories for some of my viewers. Okay, we can see we have a wall oven in place. These cabinets, these are going to be solid wood cabinets. The construction, the material for these cabinets is really superior to a lot of the prefab cabinets we see today, made out of particle board and other materials that aren't nearly as durable. Okay, we're going to pop down here to the lower level. Here to the right, we have a powder room, and this is super convenient. This is a great floor plan for entertaining. To the left is a nice big utility room. We've got loads of storage here. You can have shelving or lockers here on the left side. There is a washer dryer closet right there. And we have our electric water heater. That looks relatively new. And then here on the other side, that looks like a deep freezer and then some additional distance there. So we've got plenty of storage. That is the side entry door that we saw earlier. And there's going to be one more side entry door here off of the family room. Okay, here we are. We're in the family room. Nice long rectangular space. This is great if you had a large TV. You could actually put it On the opposite wall, you're not going to put it on this wall because that's where you're going to enjoy your wood-burning fireplace. All right, directly ahead, I envision that wall as a great place for a nice big TV. You could arrange your furniture accordingly and really enjoy this beautiful space. All right, let's go upstairs and see what we have on the second level. This is going to be the bedroom level. Once again, we've got those wood floors that are here in the hallway. Actually, they're in the entire story of this home, including the bedrooms. And this, of course, is going to be our hall bath. This is a full bath. We've got a vanity there, ceramic tile. And here to the left is our tile shove tower. Notice the dual shower heads, and we've got grab bars already in place. Okay, let's continue. To the left and to the right, those are both going to be linen closets. This is going to be bedroom number 1. And that looks like it is a queen size bed that's in place. Good natural light flows into this room. And our closet here to the left. All right, let's continue here to bedroom number 2. It is going to be right here, and that's another large bed. This bedroom is actually larger than the last one, so no tiny bedrooms in this floor plan, which is a huge plus. I've often been in similar homes, and then you get one little 10 by 10 bedroom that you really can't do a whole lot with, but that's not the case here. Really good sized bedrooms. Here in the hallway, we did have a linen closet, and then this is going to be the primary. Beautiful wood floors. I love what they did here with the window placement. Notice how high that window is. So that makes an excellent bed wall because you can actually put your bed right under the window. You don't have to worry about blocking it with a headboard. So that was really smart design when they laid this out. Straight ahead is going to be a walk-in closet. And then we also have an ensuite 3/4 bath. And notice it is tile. We've got nice neutral tan tile on the walls, and super convenient to have that as an ensuite. Really nice floor plan. This home is definitely priced attractively. If you've been looking at homes in Henrico County, you of course know that it's tough to get them at this price point. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It'd be an honor for me to help. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and most importantly, go ahead and sign up for my webinar. We'd love to see you, and I look forward to hearing and seeing you soon. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.